Hi, I'm Joe Cust, and my classroom to career experience was house construction. My brother did the house construction before me, so I kind of knew what was to expect a little bit before I went into the class, and he always talked about how much of a fun class it was and how much he learned. So I was excited to see how Mr. McGuire would teach all of us, and I was excited to learn what went into building a house because I had never done anything like that before. I really enjoyed house construction and all of the different things I got to learn. A lot of these are life skills that I can use in the future. I was able to learn how to tile a shower, we framed houses, we sheeted floors. We really did everything, and it was a really good learning experience. Through this experience, I learned a lot about myself and my future career options. I learned what went into building a house and how I could transport these skills into my future life or career. I learned how to work with a variety of different people and as a team with it, which is a very important life skill that I will use for the rest of my life. Before going into this class, I didn't really know what went into building a house, and Mr. McGuire really did a good job of teaching us, but also allowing us to kind of learn by doing it on the house. And so it was a very good hands-on experience, and it kind of solidified that I do want to go into a field like construction.